Hi, welcome to Artistic Documentation. In this video, we will solve 10 different arithmetic reasoning problem, and this is the lesson number 10. So I hope you have already visited the last 9 arithmetic tutoring. So this is the 10th number lesson, and we will give more materials with more tutorials on different subjects. So these types of problem already encountered inside any types of competitive exam like ASVAB, FAQT, HESI. This type of exam you can normally pass out with the help of these types of knowledge. So today is the first problem is what percentage of 3 by 4. So 3 over 4, so it's 34. So if we 30 divided by 4, so 4 will goes over 30, it's 7 times, and it's a 28. So 30 minus 28 equal 2. So you take a point and here 0, and 7 will goes over 20, it's 20, it's like how much? So 2 times, and again come the 7 times, sorry, 4 times, oh sorry, not, so the 4 will goes over 20, it's 5 times, so 7.5. So we need to find the percentage. Okay, so the percentage, how? So if we multiply with 100, we will get 75%. So 3 over 4 means it's 75%. So now come to the problem. Here the sum of the 3 consecutive odd numbers. Another thing we can do here, actually I have a doubt, so I need to clear it. Another thing, like if we normally divide, so 0.7 0 and 5, so it's not 75% actually. So how do I, like 0, and we have take point, so here 30, so 4 will go over 30, it's 7 times, then come 2 and it's a 20. So we have taken a 0, so 4 will goes over 20, it's 5 times. Okay, so it's when we multiply with 100, then we'll get 70.5%. Okay, this way you can solve these things. So now come to another problem. The sum of 3 consecutive odd number is 51. So here 3 consecutive odd numbers. So first number is consider x, so next odd number will be x plus 1, and next odd number will be x plus 3. So this is the 3 number. So now according to the condition, so here we need to add x plus 1 plus x plus 3 equal 51. So here x 3x, so 3x plus 4 equal 51. So here 3x equal 51 minus 4 equal 47. So x equal, so x equal 47 over 3. So 47 over 3. So if we divide 47 over 3, the 47 by 3, so 3 will goes over 4, it's 1 times, and 1 7, so 3 will goes over 17, it's 5 times. So 5 times 3 equal 15, and 2 will be the rest, so 2. So here we will take 0 and 2 0, so 3 6, not 6. So here point or decimal, so here we will take, so 20 divided by 3, so here we will get 6. So the next number will be x plus 1. Okay, so 47 plus by 3 over x plus 1. So here 47 plus 3 over 3, so here we will get 50 over 3, and another number will be x plus 3, so 47 3 plus 3, so here 339, 3 times 3 9, so here 47 plus 9 over 3, so here we will get 47, so 58, no, not 58, so here we will get 9 plus 7 is 6, so 56 over 3, so 56 over 3, this will give us 3 will goes over 5, it's 1 times, and 26, so 3 will not divisible. Okay, so the first number is 47 over 3, second number is 50 over 3, third number is 56 over 3. So this is the 3 number. Now come to another problem. A pack of soda cost $3.60. What is the price per can? So pack of soda, 12 pack of soda costs 3.6. So 3.6 divided by 12, so it's a 36, and 12 will goes over 36, it's 3 times. Okay, so 3 0, so on the one packet price will be $0.30. If we multiply with 12, then we will get 3 times 12 is 36. Okay, so this is the 30 cent. 30 cent will be the price per can. So now come to another problem. If 5 pencil cost 2.5, how much do 12 pencil cost? Okay, so 5 pencil cost is $2.50. So here divided by 5, and we will get 0.50 cent. And now the $12 price will be 12 pencil price will be $6. So now a faucet fills a tap in 10 minutes, and the drain it in 15 minutes, and the drains it in 15 minutes. If both are open, how long will it take to fill the tap? So it's the same problem, like already we have solved many times. So it's we need to find out the average duration, like 25. Okay, so 25 over 2 is 12.5, 12.5. so this is the answer. And now a rectangular garden is 12 feet long and 8 feet wide. What is the parameter? So the parameter rules is it's a rectangular, so a b, so the parameter rules is 2 into a plus b. Okay, so 2 into a means the width, okay, 8 feet plus here length is 12 feet, this feet. So here we will get 8 plus 12, it's 20. 20 times 2 is 40 feet. This is the parameter. So now what is the area of triangle with the base 10 inches and height 6 inches? What is the area of rectangle? Okay, so when you are going to find out the area of rectangle, so here the base is 10 inches and height is 6 inches. So here we need to find out the area. So here the rules is half into base into height. So here the base is 10 inches and height is 6. So here inch square and here 10 times 6 is 60 over 2 inches square, here 30 inches, so inches square. So now today our next problem is, after 20% discount a shard cost is 40. So here I have already solved this problem in my previous tutorial. It's really very easy, so you can easily find out the answer. So just change the value, and here look like 27% discount. Okay, so find out the value, and if you are in trouble to find out this problem or solving this problem, so feel free to contact us, or you can already there are many staff and already there free of cost, and you can access it freely, and you will get good study materials from our website. So how many inches are in 3.5 feet? So 1 feet equal 12 inches, right? 1 feet equal 12 inches. So here 3.5 feet, so 3.5 feet equal 3.5 times 12 inches. So here 3.5 times 12, so here 36 and 6, 36 plus 6 is 42 inches. So now come to another problem. This is the last. So a train travel 90 miles in 1.5 hours. What is its average speed? So you need to find out the speed per hour. So this is really normal problem, so just solve this. And if you have any kinds of doubt, you need any kinds of solution for particular mathematics, feel free to contact us. Here is our private group, AIO competitive exam, and you can search in Facebook group also AIO competitive exam, all in one. Here another things is edubird, so you can search the edubird for the designated website that has so many important study materials and solution, animation design, everything you will get if you choose any kinds of site like website design, animation designing, 2D 3D image designing, banner designing, everything you will get in our website. So this is we are fully providing free of cost for the students only, and we want to start this initiative for the student to save them from the scammer, online scammer. So good to see you again for the next tutorial. Goodbye for now.